Hi everybody, Jill here. Welcome to my channel. So I've had a few of you ask me, hey Jill, have you tried the magnetic eyelash thing? You know, where you put the magnetic liner on, you've got your eyelashes and they just boom, they're on. It's so easy and they're amazing. I have not tried those. Keep in mind, when you do watch this, this is really a true sort of novice here. I do not wear false eyelashes. I have tried in the past and they just don't work for me. I feel like I am just a complete klutz. They're very cumbersome. I can never make them work. So like you, I was thinking maybe this will be it. So let's go ahead and proceed the application. See what we think. I purchased a kit and an applicator to make it easier. So let's see what happens. So here's what we're working with today. I decided to get the magnetic liner and lash kit here by Ardell. We're going to use that. I also went ahead and got the magnetic lash applicator. I thought if this makes life easier for us, by George, I think we're going to need this. My daughter told me, who wears falsies a lot, and she said it's best to not put mascara on top of the falsies because they'll just last longer. So, all right. So let's do that now. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on and I'll meet you back here. All right, so I went ahead and read the directions on both how to use these babies and of course, you know, how to do this. So I went ahead and got the magnetic, these are their Demi Wispies. So here's this once we get it out. Now it has the magnet, the little magnet on the lashes, and it's going to attach itself to the other sort of magnet that is part of and in this liner. And it recommends that we do 2 coats of this with this brush. Now, as you know, you can use your own brush, whatever you're used to using liquid liner with. I do not use liquid liner, really, because as a mature woman, my eyes are quite crepey, and it's very difficult to get liquid liner close to the lash line. So we'll see how this goes. I wanted to see if these would be user-friendly for me as a mature woman with aging eyes. Hopefully we'll get this to work, because let me tell you, if this really is kind of an easy way to wear these lashes, then I'm down for that. I struggle with false eyelashes. So here's this little, here's the little applicator here for that liquid liner. I'm actually going to use one that I have. So I have this one by It Cosmetics. It has an angle brush here, and then it has more of a very skinny sort of pencil brush on this end. They recommend 2 coats, and then they recommend applying the lashes while it's semi-tacky still, semi-damp, I think is what they used. All right, so I'm really going to lift up my eyebrows here, and I might even lift up a little bit of my tissue here on the brow bone, just so I can get close to that lash line, because if I can't, it's gonna look really silly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead now. They recommend 2 coats. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do this eye. I'm afraid that maybe the dry time won't be good, so I don't know how much time we have here for this. It's going to take me 20 minutes, I think, just to get this lash on the special applicator anyway, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I'm going in for the second coat now. I'm going to call that good. All right, so I'm going to grab, wait, it's not coming, okay. So they recommend putting this, how do they recommend? We're gonna say, put it on the lower one. Okay, so they say to put it on this lower one. So I did that, okay. I don't know why I'm nervous about this. Wait, that's not gonna work. It has to be on the top. Oh, maybe I do this. No. What are they doing? I don't get it, but okay. All right, I don't feel like this is right, but I'm gonna try it anyway. All right, so they say to have this, so the Ardell sign is facing up, and they have it on the bottom one. I feel like it makes more sense to put it on the top one, but I'm just gonna go with this. And then they say, oh Lordy me, they say to, oh God, now it's sticking up. All right, then they say to lift this up, and I really feel like it would be so much easier if I didn't use this, so I'm not going to use it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my fingers. And no, you guys, I knew I was going to struggle with this. Okay, this is probably no longer tacky. I feel like it's just glue. I'm not feeling like this big surge of magnetic energy. Yeah, no, that's just not a thing. Well, I do think they need to be trimmed. And on top of that, it made my mascara flake. I think I'm gonna have to trim these because when I put them on, yeah, you know what, guys? I am not, maybe because it's dried now. It's taken me literally forever to get to this point. So I'm going to apply another coat of, I told you this was not going to be, this is literally from a beginner's perspective here because I never wear falsies. I just wanted to try it. Okay, so let's go ahead and again add another coat. Got a pretty thick coat going on here, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna grab my lash and I just kind of am, oh see, I'm gonna bring it over. Oh my Lord, okay. All right. All right, I really think that's as good as it's gonna get. Not the most comfortable feeling in the world. God, I wish I could get this to do something normal. Okay. No. All right, so there we go. I don't like the look of this. All right. Oh wow, no. See, I don't like how it really kind of goes down right here. I'd rather this kind of go up. Maybe I'll just kind of tack it up here. Because, you know, that kind of brings down the eye a little. Kind of brings things down. And you know how I'm all about going up, man. All about going up. I feel like they're going straight out and it kind of closes my look. And to be honest, I can see my eyelashes more on this side than I can on this side. Oh God. So I'm going to try trimming these first. Let me trim these a little bit. So I've just trimmed them. Now these are probably not, oh, it's still wanting to connect, I think. No, it's not. They're not. They're done connecting. Oh my God, this is a mess. No. Mm-mm. Okay. So yeah, these would be in the garbage. Honestly, for somebody who doesn't wear, for some like me, I don't wear these. So these would probably be great for people who wear falsies a lot and who are very used to wearing them and applying them and the whole application method. However, for somebody like me, if you're like me and you've been really curious about this, you know, I don't think I'm really inept at makeup application. Now I feel like I really have to do this over here just to even out my makeup application, even though I have no desire, because I have, oh crap. Oh, this is just not good. Okay, this is terrible. this one's all mucked up now. Oh God. I guess I gotta muck this side up just to make it match. This has been a horrible fail. I feel like I failed you guys. All right, so in case I hated those, which I do, so where are they? You're gonna say, Jill, keep practicing. You always tell us to practice. Yeah, I'm not practicing that. So then I decided I'm gonna do these self-adhesive lashes. I'm gonna try these. I'm really determined about this, you guys, but it's gotta be something that is doable for me. And I know you're all thinking at this point, Jill, you're pretty much hopeless with the falsies. But you know what? That's okay. I'm just gonna try this now. So these are, again, self-adhesive by the same company, Ardell. And they are also demi-wispies. They already have the glue on here, right? That's what I'm thinking. Oh God. Okay. All right, so let's just go ahead then, and I'm just gonna put these babies right on, just right on. All right, honestly, those went on a lot easier. I'm using oh God. No, Jill. Don't do that. That's not meant to happen that way. No, they're not up against my lash line. Okay. All right. Those, look at what a mess I'm making. Oh my God. I couldn't wear these. No. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off too. Wow, they're kind of on there. Ugh. Okay. Oh God, somebody's calling me. It's probably Hannah. Hannah, I'm in the middle of something. I can't do this anymore. I think the adhesive is gone now. It's kind of a one-time thing. Yeah, and then this happens. I can't do that. So you guys, once again, I wasted money. Oh Lord, once again, I wasted money on stupid false lashes. All right, so I think this is gonna be my best bet with this here. However, I really do feel like I need mascara still. I don't feel like they're on there very good. This has been hysterical. What a mess. So we have that on. Let me go ahead and trim and put on the other side. I am a mess. I feel like they almost make my eyes feel smaller. I feel like they do. They just sort of weigh my eyes down. Like physically, I can feel that, and I feel like it's visually as well. I just think I'm not used to wearing them. All right, that is it. I give up on false eyelashes. All right, so the magnetic thing with this particular brand anyway is a no-go. I honestly did not feel any sort of like, ooh, there they are. I felt like it was more of a sticky, tacky thing it was liking, and I don't know what I was expecting, but this was not it. And this was not working for me either. Yeah, the self-adhesive, you really kind of have to know what you're doing. So when you first put them on, that is going to be your initial bond, and then you'll be good. But someone like me that has to take it off and put it on, trim it, take it off, put it on, I think the self-adhesive, again, is probably not your best bet either. So my overall feeling is this girl still is not a false eyelash person. Even though I want to be. Secretly, I want to be one of those people. But it's just not happening. All right? Until the next video, you guys, stay safe, stay well, and stay young at heart. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.